Trade policy and import substitution industrialization. What is import substitution industrialization? Import substitution industrialization generally refers to policy that eliminates the import of the commodities and allows for the production in the domestic market. The objective of this policy is to bring about structural changes in the economy. The policy of import substitution is achieved through discrimination of capital goods against consumer goods by tariffs, quotas, exchange control barriers, exchange rate policies, and fiscal and credit policies. For an example, in India, the tariffs on crude oil and naphtha are negligible, while there is a duty of about 300% on most of the synthetic fibers. The duty on basic intermediates for producing these products varying between 100% to 200%. Furthermore, the imports of synthetic fabrics is totally banned. The imports of most of the petrochemical intermediate were restricted until now. However, the recent policy in India has relaxed the restrictions in some cases. The License Raj in India. This refers to the period between 1947 and 1990, when the economy was centrally planned. Apparently, it needed approval from 80 agencies before a license to produce something could be obtained. A strict regime of regulation and governmental control on production and its various modes was prevalent during this time. Emergence of new economic policy in 1991. The thrust of the new economic policy has been towards creating a more competitive environment in the economy as a means to improving the productivity and efficiency of the system. This was to be achieved by removing the barriers to entry and the restrictions on the growth of firms.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.